What's up guys, it's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to do unbox this glow box for Funko Pop. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go guys, so again I have here a glow box and it's for Funko Pop, and again it's battery operated, and I got this one for $14.99, and again we'll see what's in the box. Let's go. So I'll just open it. I got a sharp knife here. And so by the way, I have here a Funko Pop. It's a personalized Funko Pop. It's a white hair for me, t-shirt. I got shorts and slippers and coffee, and that's my name, NoyTebs blog, NoyTebs. Okay, so again, I enjoyed that one. I got this one from Everett in Washington. So it's about $25 customized. So there you go. So I have here, and I'm so excited on this because it's very limited. There's no more glow box here in Calgary. It's hard to find a glow box. There you go. Ta-da! So this is the base, and again at the back they have how many batteries? I think there's 2 batteries here. It's so hard to open. There you go. So there's 3 batteries actually, so not only 2. And I got here at the back, I just hide it, I got 3 batteries, and we'll see. Just put battery first. That's the easiest way. The only thing on that one, it's the case is so hard to open. Yeah. See, that's the only thing here. It's hard to open. That's why when I look at it there you go. So it's a blue. There you go. Then, so again, this is it, and I have here, this is the top, and these are the 4 sides of this glow box. There you go. So basically, one thing is that I think they have a plastic here, because it's, look at that, it's not that clear. That's really good because it's protected. What I mean is that scratch or whatever, it's really protect, but it's hard to remove the plastic. I think you have to remove this plastic. Yeah, but there you go. There you go. It's hard to remove, guys. Yeah, there you go. So they have the protective plastic. I think it's on each side, but it's hard to remove actually. It's hard to remove, guys. Probably my video here just to remove this takes me so long, but there you go. That is clear. So all you have to do is to hold it on the side. Then I'm just gonna pop. Is it? That's it? That was quick. And then I have 3 on the sides, 3 sides, 2 sides actually. but it's hard to remove. That's the only thing. It's nice if they have a guide so that it's gonna be easy for you to, if you don't have nail on this one, if you have nails, it's kind of hard for you to remove. There you go. It's gonna be easy for the second time, but the first time it's so hard because you're looking for where to find. But please bear with me. It takes so long just to remove that plastic. There you go. And then again, put it right away on the side. Okay, there you go. And then there's another one, which is another side. Wow, takes so long here, guys. Maybe I'm going to fast forward this video. Just to remove this, it takes so long. There you go. So at least your Funko Pop is gonna be it's gonna be a protection for dust. Looks like big. Looks like big for me. There you go. There you go. Okay. And then the last one is this. So I think you have to remove the box. Takes so long. That's the thing. There you go. So the last one. The last one. Okay. There you go. Okay, so so, I don't know if this will fit. Oh, okay. So this will fit actually. But the thing is, if this will fit, the problem for this, okay, it's still glowing. So I have here the cover for the top. And there you go. There you go. That's it. Nice. And lights. There you go. There's a light already. It's blue. Look at that. Beautiful, guys. I'm gonna try to turn off the lights and we'll see. So I turn off the lights. I only have one light here, but look at that. Beautiful. There you go. So I'm so happy now because there's a box. It's protected with dust and everything. So if you want, just turn on and then there you go. Look at that. Beautiful. So, but again, guys, if you're not yet subscribing my channel, please do subscribe. And I have NoyTebs vlog on other channel. I hope you can subscribe. And again, if you have any comment, just comment below. I just got this one from this is not sponsored vlog anyways, so I just got this one here, 14.99, so not bad. So anyway, again, I hope you enjoy watching my unboxing. I know it's just hard to remove the plastic for the protector, but it's really good. So but again guys, thank you so much again for watching. This is NoyTebs. God bless and have a wonderful day.